Robot Diamond Assurance is Mitsubishi Electric Automation's extended preventive maintenance and warranty program designed to increase the longevity of your robot investment. With regularly scheduled proper maintenance and the assistance of Mitsubishi Electric factory-trained technicians, you benefit from increased uptime, lower total cost of ownership, and the expanded life of your robot. Preventive maintenance for your robot is the same as maintenance for your car. If you don't change your car's oil, you risk engine failure. Similarly, if you don't grease the joints of your robot, it increases your risk of joint failure. Just like cars, robots also have routine maintenance that needs to be completed at certain intervals, such as greasing the joints. Preventive maintenance is not covered under the initial warranty of your robot. The standard warranty covers issues with the original manufacturing of the robot and does not cover issues caused by normal wear and tear on your robot. No, our service team will track the time for your preventive maintenance visits and will contact you to schedule a time when the next visit is due. Yes, ideally your maintenance team will participate in the visit to review the recommended daily and monthly inspection process they should be conducting. Our service engineer will review our inspection checklist with you, assess the work done, and provide any actions that are required to keep your robot in peak condition. Yes, you can extend your plan by renewing at the end of the term of the agreement. Want to learn more? Visit our website to learn how you can maximize your robot performance